Hello everyone, this is Dimitar from the RedmineUP support team. In this video demonstration, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of warnings of helpdesk that are appearing as a source code. So firstly, I'm going to show you the problem itself. So it will be easier for you to see what it is and how to solve it afterward. Okay, so we are now into a helpdesk project and we have a ticket. So as a support engineer, we replied to our client. So when we click on reply, we see that there is a problem here. So the votings that are set at the bottom and the email footer are appearing as a source code. So it is not good. Okay, so yeah, to fix this problem, there are needed a couple of steps. They are very simple, so please just follow my steps. You have to go to administration here on the top right corner and then go to main settings of Redmine. Alright, and then you scroll down into the general tab of these settings to the text formatting. So here you should select the text style. Yeah, text formatting should be text style. So please save the changes. Okay, so let's return back to our helpdesk and see if our solution is going to work correctly. So we select helpdesk and then again go to the tickets and select a ticket. Okay, so when we click on reply and scroll down, we see that our footer is now it is now working correctly. We see that the good is clickable, just okay, not good. They are appearing correctly with green and red as they have been set, and no source code is appearing here. So yeah, the solution works good. Everything is appearing fine now with our answer. Okay, so I hope this video was good and helpful for you, and if you like it, you could check other videos and articles of the helpdesk. So, thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.